been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 GMC Acadia SLT in ebony twilight. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINO'S stock number 83098.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.